yourself happy. Smiley face.
We have this exclusive mounting bracket, and this exclusive mounting bracket is it's the special puck, and you're going to have fewer roof penetration. It means less chances of leaking, and that was their sales pitch. Fewer roof penetration, less chances of leaking. The glue we use comes from a satellite on NASA, so it's going to last forever. It sounds phenomenal, especially if you're a customer hearing this. I'm going to have less holes in my roof. I'm going to have this. I'm going to have that. So what I can tell you from the roofing aspect of it is you have to put a 6 to 8 inch bolt through a roof, through shingles, through underlayment, through everything, and make sure you hit a rafter that's only 2 inches. It's actually a little over 1.5 inches. Doing that, you know, everybody thinks every rafter is perfectly smooth. It takes a lot of skill to do that. So with Tesla's puck, there is no flashing at all. There's no flashing to it. So they take this puck, they drill a hole in your roof, and then they just pile a bunch of glue in there thinking it's going to last. So that glue will last forever. What won't last forever is the roof it's connected to, because the glue that holds the granules on the roof eventually it overheats and it starts to have granule loss. So when that happens, now you have glue not connected to anything and water pouring right in.
Make yourself happy. Smiley face.